Okay, this is the Tampa Bay Wallpaper Installer with another quick tip on how to ensure that your corners, this being an outside corner, how your outside corners will look sharp and crisp. So underneath the wallpaper on the corner, I put this product. All right, this is for vinyl on vinyl. It's super sticky wallpaper glue. I don't waste this kind of money on the entire piece of wallpaper. I just put it in my corners, on my bottoms, and on my tops. If your wallpaper fails, it's generally in the corner, in a corner, or at the bottom. So if you use extra glue, the reason for that is because that is the most vulnerable area for air to attack your glue while you just put the glue on. That's why that happens. And so when you install the paper, the least wet part of the paper are the places that come off later on during the life of the wallpaper installation. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to knead the wallpaper into position. I'm going to stretch it as it heats up. So if the wallpaper is this wide, I'm going to stretch it out to here, and then it's going to come back, and it's going to cool off into position. That corner is getting very hot, and I'm taking the material on the corner and pulling it. Same thing over here, I'm going to pull it. Do you see the wrinkle I created right up here? Take a look. If you can see the wrinkle, I'm displacing volume. What I mean by that is, that's actually material that would have been sagging around the corner. So I'm doing a good thing. You can try all you want without heat. You're not going to do it. Okay. I promised I'd make it a short video, and there you have your corner. Just check that out. Nice and crisp. And this wallpaper, you need a very wet rag because you can see little dark spots, and that's glue on it. And unless you clean that off quickly, it stays on the paper. And there's your corner. There you have it. So, if you like the video, click on like, please, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.